What's going on, everyone? I've never done a tutorial video before, but I was trying to set up my Facebook page. It's had a lot of growth in the last couple months, and I wanted to set it up like I've seen other pages. When you go to the page, it shows top fans displayed. It's a badge that people get through engaging with your content, and it makes them want to engage more. I couldn't find an easy, simple way to do it, so I had to do a little research. So I figured, why not make a video so that it's easier if people want to look up how to do it. It's quite simple. All you have to do is open up Facebook and you go to your page. This can't be your personal account. You can't have top fan badges on your personal profile on Facebook. I'll go to community right here to show you what it is, top fans. There you go. Super simple. All you have to do is go to your settings and you go to templates and tabs. Mine was set up as a standard page, but you have to set it up as a video page in order to do this. So set it up as a video page. I'm on that now. But at that point, if you refresh it, a badge, a little tab will show up for Facebook badges. Make sure that's on, and it'll automatically start doing it and adding top fans. It's a really cool way to get more people to engage with your content. So that's it. Super short video, super simple, really easy to do, and I think there's a lot of benefits to doing it. If you got anything out of the video, hit subscribe. Check out my music. Casey makes music on all platforms, all services. Thanks a lot.
Running for the door, I'm almost at the door. It's Orange, California, everything is warm. It's when I fell off, then I built it back. More concrete, brick by brick, mix, stack. Beautiful disaster.